Hello! Today we're going to go over how to sort data using the order by clause. We're going to cover how to sort a single column, how to sort multiple columns, and then we'll use a shortcut to sort by numbers. Now the order by clause is used to sort data in either ascending or descending order. So let's take a look at our first query where we're going to sort in ascending order and we're going to sort a single column. So given this table below, this is our service plans table. We're going to select the plan name, the plan ID, the plan description, and the plan price columns from the table below. So we use the from keyword to select from the service plans table. And here we're using the order by clause for sorting. We're going to sort the plan name column in ascending order. So order by plan name ascending order. We click execute, and as you can see, the plan name is in ascending order. Now keep in mind the order by clause actually defaults to ascending order, so you can actually run this query without using the ASC keyword. Click execute, and as you can see, it is in ascending order. Now to change the direction of the column to descending order, you do have to use the DESC, which means descending. So we click execute, and now you can see that the plan name column is in descending order instead of ascending order. Okay, let's take a look at another query where we're going to sort multiple columns. So in this query, we're going to select the plan ID, the plan price column, and the plan name column from the service plans table. We use the order by keywords again for our sorting, and we're going to sort the plan price column and the plan name column. Now in order to sort a second column, the first column has to have duplicates. So the plan price column, the data, there are duplicate prices within that column. So within each price, we're going to sort the plan name. And it's going to be in ascending order because order by clause, as we said earlier, defaults to ascending order. So we click execute, and you see the plan prices here, and here are two duplicates, $19.99 and $19.99 again. So within each plan price duplicate, we're sorting the plan name values as well. So internet and web hosting. Here again you see $40, $40. Digital cable comes first, then digital phone. And if you wanted to change the order of the second column, use the DESC keywords, click execute, and now you can see in the duplicates there's the $19.99 to $19.99, and this time web hosting comes before internet, which means it's sorting in descending order. So for our last query, we're going to use a shortcut and sort by numbers. So in this query, we're going to select the plan name column, the plan ID column, the plan description column, and the plan price column from the service plans table. We use the order by clause again, and as you can see, we're using a number. And this number is referring to the order of columns after the select keyword. So by using the number 2, we're going to sort the plan ID column. Click execute, and as you can see, the plan ID column is in ascending order. Now if we use a 4, it's going to sort the plan price column. Click execute, and now it's sorting the plan prices in ascending order. Now you can also use numbers without specifying any column names at all. You use an asterisk to select all the columns from the table, and now this number is going to refer to the columns stored in the table. So we'll change this to a 2, hit execute, and in the table, this is the order of the columns in the table, so it's going to sort the second column, the plan name column, and as you can see here, they are in ascending order. And if you type DESC, it's going to change the order to descending order, and this is the second column sorted in descending order. For more in-depth training, check out my course in the description area below.